G'day gang, Skypilot again. Welcome to my channel. Yes, this is the finished product of my recent build, the Tyro 109. Everything you see here apart from a couple of mods, and of course the 1300 4S is what you get in the kit. Check out my previous video by all means guys if you haven't seen it, of the full build of this unit, and if you got any questions drop them down below and I will answer them straight away. I'm going to go for a maiden, see how this Tyro 109 goes, and from what I've seen so far I think it goes really well, especially with these 50/40 props on. I've got a few different variants of props which I will try, but for now I'm going to have a crack around and see how the 600 milliwatt VTX performs. Hope you're all doing well guys, good to see you. Let's get cracking. Quick line of sight guys, a little bit of wind, however I think we'll be okay. Make sure everything is as it should be. And of course I have air mode on like I always do. That looks pretty good. Okay. Do a quick lap of the oval. Yeah, just as I suspected guys, it flies really well. Yeah, super nice. Oh, it does those rolls real fast. Let's just see how that VTX goes for range, shall we? 600 milliwatts. I do know that if I go near this building over here, I do lose a bit of the VTX, however. No, look at that, we're going really well. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. Wow, excellent. Make sure there's nobody over there. I'm going to bother too much. Nice guys. Buzz of the tower. Solid performer folks, just as I thought. Wow. Terrific skilled unit. And to think I even put this together myself folks, that's even more amazing. Okay, that fills the goal. And see how far we can actually go before we lose signal. There's people working over there, so I'm not actually going to go over there. I'm really pushing it here guys, I don't normally fly that far up. This is really nice to fly guys. I know I say that with a lot of my drones that I fly, but I do mean it then, and I certainly mean it now. This is really nice to fly. Okay, I'm going to do something I probably shouldn't do. I'm going to see how far I can go over here. Yeah, wow, I'm impressed, folks. Keep up those power lines. It really whips those barrels around pretty quick. There will be no crashing today. So I've got a 1300 on here at the moment, and as you can see, it's going for a long time. Okay. Just finish off with a lap of the oval. Oh, touch of the ground there, not too sure why I did that. Yeah, so when it says land now, yeah, you generally land now. Around, I don't know, 7, 8, 9 minutes of flight time on a 1300 4S that I've got here. Links down below, gang, if you want any of this gear. I'm really impressed with that. That flies really well. It's the first decent rip I've had of it, and I've got to tell you, I want to put another pack on and go again. Thanks for stopping by, folks, much appreciated. Smash that thumbs up, as I said before. Drop me a comment, love to hear from you. See you next time. Sky Pilot. Catch you later on, guys. Bye for now.